Hi guys, it's Gabby here, and today I'm gonna do a trading video, and that video it was a fail because people were talking. So I'm gonna start doing it. Oh, and trade me. Hey, I'm recording. Now say hi. Whoa! No. That was weird. Oh, and look. Spike. Oh yeah. I got a spike.
Oh, Gabby, you know what the code for the diamonds is?
What?
Look. I'll show you.
Wait, what are you doing? What did you just do?
It's still...
Gabby. Oh, no. Move the thing. That's better. But I'm going to tell you what... Oh, and...
Now I have a code to enter, and it's...
12. Oh, I'm going to get an Arctic Wolf, guys, I think. 12. I'm like, Oh, my, I'm getting...
What do you say?
Thank you. Guys, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm getting Arctic Wolf with...
You could get any of these animals. Don't...
Okay, where's Infinity?
What do you say?
Thank you! Guys, sorry if I'm like getting a heart attack right now. Where is it? Arctic.
What do you say?
Thank you!
Yeah, I got that, like, kind of
And
from Mustard Rabbit AJ.
Oh, yeah,
Please
she's awesome.
subscribe. She's really good. You'll get 1 diamond. And, by the way, I made a video, and,
I'm gonna show you it.
No, just don't.
Okay.
And ZQ,
I know. Where's
C-
Wolf?
okay, let me just pronounce CCUK.
Guys,
No,
sorry.
she's been waiting like 10 weeks for these.
Yeah. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm getting like a heart attack. I really appreciate my sister. I'm gonna hug her. Thank you! Okay, where's our wolf? I'm looking for his wolf. We call it Infinity Arctic Wolf, and I'm copying Julian Tooth Wolf. Sorry, Julian Tool. Like, oh yeah. Oh my god. What?
No! You have to go by...
Why? I want to see wolf.
Yeah, but you don't start... Just like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
Yeah, I want... Mush. Guys, Infinity Arctic Mush. Robot. Rue.
Sorry if this is taking a really long time. I'll just pause it.
Pause. That's the pause button.
So that took a long time. She finally got an Arctic Wolf.
Guys, this is awesome. The oh yeah. And guys, I don't have free chat. Oh yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna dress it with some eyes. It's gonna be like this. And I already planned on the pattern. The lightning pattern. It's gonna be dark blue. And oh la la yeah. Ooh, and my spike color. I love my spike so much. And
She doesn't have lots of items because she just got hacked.
yeah, but it was a long time ago.
So, bye guys. Hope
Wait.
you guys enjoyed this video.
So, and this is gonna be my main animal from now on. So, bye guys.
Okay,
Guys,
sorry.
sorry.
Bye guys.